Hey, Stephanie, week 3. Can you believe it?
Yay!
I know, we're
Made it.
just cruising through. So I'm Linda Artisani. I'm one of the admins on the group. And Stephanie has so graciously allowed me to record our mentorship program as we go through it so others can see what it's like to go through the mentorship program. I'm not going to say I'm going to record every time, but Stephanie's allowed me to have her be my guinea pig. So this week 3, is about setting goals. And it says, now that you've determined your current skill level, you set goals to develop a plan to meet them. Today, you're going to set your first concrete goal. And after the 7 weeks, we're going to see how we're doing in accomplishing that, getting to that goal. So you've kind of told me that you wanted to set a goal for your business, an annual goal, which I think is great. I started doing that last year, and around November, and then I kind of dropped it for this. I've been too busy, which is a bad excuse. So just start with just telling a little bit about yourself again, just reminding everybody that maybe didn't see the first 2 videos, and then go through your goal setting. And obviously going to want to know how we were communicating. We're doing it through instant messenger, so we can skip that part. And just tell us a little bit about yourself and how you're working for your new business adventure.
Sure. So I've had about 40 years experience with in accounting departments and office management with other businesses. And a couple of years ago, I started working for The Right Return as a managing the bookkeeping clients, doing that work. And recently had an opportunity to take over the business. So that effective just March 1st, that's what I've done. So I have, my current clients, and that's actually leads into one of my goals is I want to have 10 new clients this year, permanent year-round clients. I've been doing some short-term projects recently, and I've added 2 new clients. But I sort of came up with 10 because first I pulled the number out of thin air, and then I thought about, is that really practical? Because I want to have a goal that I can reach, that I won't feel bad about. I don't want to set a goal too high and then fail and feel bad about myself, sort of. So 10 in a year seems reasonable to me. So that's my goal. And I guess we could pare that down to 7 weeks. Do we have 4 more weeks? Maybe 2 more new clients? I don't know. My other goal is to do the QuickBooks, the Pro Advisor certification. I haven't started that yet. That seems like something that it would be good for me because I'll learn, and then it'll be something that I can sort of market or whatever,
I love that goal. That is because of the perks that come along with that Pro Advisor membership. I love that goal, and taking that first step to take the test. I'll shoot you over an article that actually he encouraged his bookkeeper on staff to take the test, and her little journey, because it's really helpful to, and I'll share it in the post so everybody can see it, how she felt taking the test and her first time doing it. So that might you feel like you can accomplish that goal. That is an excellent goal. I know it's hard right now in the busy season, but you could maybe put that as a goal maybe for like June. I want to have that test taken, and then you can work on the advanced one. As far as the 10, there's so many theories about setting goals. Some people want to achieve their goal, so they try to set their goal to some reasonable place. And then some people say, some schools of thought are, you can set a really high goal, and even if you don't attain it, there's a lot of value in reaching for the stars. So it depends on your personality, I think. I'm kind of more a little bit reserved as well. I don't want to set a big lofty goal, but I'm trying to decide what would work best for me, because do I want to set a goal and attain it and then like kind of stagnate? Or do I want to go like shoot for the moon and maybe make it halfway and then say, hey, I did pretty good and maybe I can go further on. So that's interesting. So your goal is just for 10 clients, you said, for the year?
10 total. I
like
have
it.
2, so I guess I'm partway there. So
I like
8
it.
more for the rest of the year.
I can honestly tell you that they come in spurts. I like the fact that you want to get 10 recurring clients. I think you're going to be able to get that goal really easily, honestly, especially if you start going on, you've got your group and then start to promote it and work on it. I think actually you'll be able to make that. You might even want to move it up a little bit more than 10.
I know. I couldn't decide if
It's
10
hard.
is like a ridiculously small goal. To me, it felt big. And I guess I used to be a shoot the moon kind of person, like go big or go home.
I like it.
Or like for the art shows that I was doing and stuff. And then I ended up being disappointed and feel bad, and it was not a positive experience. So I decided to have more measured goals. That's kind of my new thing. And then when I reach that goal, I'll just have another one. So
true. That's not a bad idea. I like the plan. And we're meeting, I kind of don't have we don't have like a set schedule. We just kind of, something comes up, she sends me an instant message. So it's been working. So we'll just stay with the plan there. Well, thank you again for coming back and doing this again, week 3. And it's been great. I'm so glad that you decided to sign up for this and do this with me. This is a great time to get clients. And I am really excited for you. I love your goal. So we'll meet up again next week.
Excellent. Good. Thank you, Linda.
Thank you. And thank you. And thanks everybody for watching, and stay tuned.